All right, guys, Andrew here with Northwoods Harley. We are doing a Fosgate install. So we have the bike stripped down, ready to go. Next video we'll have the new stuff installed and those speakers will be gone. All right, we are installed. Cover on the one side. Wanted to come back here, show you the new saddlebag section. So it is a hard case now versus the soft case, and this is the new low profile bag installed, so very thin, very user friendly. And then this is what the speaker looks like installed. Last video will look like I'll have everything buttoned up and ready to go. All right, guys, bike is back together, fully complete. Everything's up and running. Customer can now go on to their Rockford Fosgate app, do any adjusting need be, but it looks great. Easy install. Come down and see us.